Hey, it's Juliet from WTI. Do you want to know if this actually crushes clumps? That's what I wanted to know, so I bought it. One thing I really like about this is the little wand that it comes from. So as opposed to being a brush, this is more like little spiky rubbery plastic things, and I feel like that is really what makes the difference in the clump crushing. Now first I have it applied to one eye and I'm applying it to my second eye, and you can see there are no clumps going on. Now with other mascaras I've had a lot of issues with clumpy mascara, especially because I think my lashes are straight and short. But this I didn't have any issues. Now, after I did the first eye, I moved on to the second eye, putting a second coat on. Now, even with the second coat, I did not get any clumps. And I thought that was super awesome because I didn't do anything special. I just went in, put a second coat on, and there were no clumps. Now, I've been wearing this mascara for a number of different hours, and it's not flaky. I've had other mascaras that will flake down here, and that really bugs me, but this one didn't. So all in all, I've got no clumps, no flakes, and this is super awesome mascara. I think you should give it a shot, and that's my point of view.